Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code with Patrix. So guys, in today's video, we are going to see how to work with another module in Python, which is known as a time module in Python. So let's get started. So we are going to see how to work with this time module. So working with this time module is a built-in module in Python which already exists in this Python. We have to simply import this time module. So I'm going to name as time. So now I imported this time. And suppose I'm going to create a variable which is t. And inside it, I'm going to say inside the time function, I'm using the time function now. Inside it, I'm going to tell it to print the time. So when I say print t, so when I run this program, let's right click and run this program. So you can see that it is showing some number. These numbers are nothing but a time which is showing us in the seconds. So when we use, we can also print a time. Inside a time, we are using this time function which will print the time in the seconds. In this time module, there is another function which is known as a sleep function in Python, which creates a delay between our tasks. So we are for that I am going to create a for loop in which it is going to print a number. So for I in a range. So let's create this I. Okay. So inside this I am going to give a range that is known as suppose 10. So this will go and print number till 10. So when I run this program, you can see that it will print a number till 10. So you can see here. So in between it, suppose I'm using another function which is known as suppose I'm going to create a variable called delay, and inside it I'm going to say time dot sleep. How much second it should delay? I'm going to create a 2 second delay between printing this task. So now when I run this program, you can see that it will show us a delay while printing us. So it will take 2 seconds gap and it will print one by one a number. So you can see it is taking 2 seconds gap and now it will print four and now it will print five. So like that it will go on and it will print the number until 10. So there's another function inside a time which is known as a sleep method, which creates a delay between the task. Okay. So this function is very helpful. So if you are creating any game in our Pythons and all, we can use it. It will blow your mind. So there's another further function. So let's comment this. So normally we were trying to print a time. So suppose t equals to I'm going to time the time. So when I say print t, so when I run this program, you can see that instead of giving us time in this suppose 15. Suppose 12:00, suppose this is known as a 12 o'clock. So instead of printing as number in this format, it is giving us a number here. This is known as it is showing us the number in the second. So if we want the number in this format, so how we are going to do that? So for that, there is another function inside a time that is known as strf time. That is nothing but so we are going to see how to use it when we use this strf time. So what it does, we use this strf time, it converts this time into a string format and we can convert that string into this required format whatever we want. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So for that I am going to create a variable. So let's erase this. So let's erase this print line. So inside this print time only, I'm going to say time dot strf time. So I'm going to use this function. So you can see that it is asking a format in which format we want. Suppose here it is asking a format. So I'm going to specify the format in which format the time I should want. So whenever we see the clock, in the clock, we first get the year, month, day, and in the front of it, we will get the hour, minutes, and seconds. So whenever we are seeing a time, with the time, it provides us the date also. So we are going to print in that format. So I'm going to give the single module symbol. So let's print y, then dash, and again a modulo symbol and m, and a modulo symbol. Let's give dash modulus. So I'm going to give that d, which prints the date, and a modulo symbol which prints r, which prints the minute and seconds. So when I run this program, you can see that it will print the time in the string format, in the date, year, month format. So let's see why it is giving us the error here. So let's see. Guys, it's my bad. So I do not supposed to give this modular symbol here also. So now when I run this program, you can see that we have got our required output. You can see that first it is printing a date, that is 23rd, that is May. You can see here and clock 56 seconds, and it is showing us the milliseconds also. So you can see that. So guys, I hope you have came to know how to use this time modules and all. Recommend you one more thing also. You don't reliable on this much content also. I will recommend you to explore about more function inside this time module so you can uh, get a more clear idea about this how this time functions and all it work. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment below. So let's meet in another video. Thank you for watching.